So here we go. This is that deck that I took a short video of a few days ago when we were doing the demolition. So now it's all done. I didn't get any videos or even pictures of us doing the actual job, just because I'm always short-handed and rushing, and I just don't want to waste time. I shouldn't call it wasting time, because some people like to see the work or the process of the work being done. So anyway, this is treated pine, and we went with the square aluminum spindles here, matte black, as opposed to the traditional wood spindles like that red deck in the background there of the neighbor that you normally see. These add so much more to the look of it. So as you can see, the new deck is complete. And yeah, this is the fourth deck that I've done with these spindles, and they've all been consecutive. I like them so much, and I recommend them to my clients, and they actually love them. All right.